Welcome,
Hi,
welcome,
everybody.
welcome.
Hi, Neil. I love you for being here. Thank you.
So good to see you.
Hello, hello. कैसे हैं आप? कैसे sir? Thank you all so much for being here today. I know the weather's kind of crazy and इतना अच्छा लग रहा है for such a good turnout. So first, really तहे दिल से शुक्रिया to all the media who always supported me and they're here again today. Yeah, it feels good with the song launch. Tell me.
Right. कैसी हैं आप? बढ़िया?
हाँ आप
Give it up for her यार. ये सब लोग बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं. Venus की टीम, हमारी टीम, Aura Creative. Your mom is there.
Yeah,
and she's a rock star.
Yeah, this album has been produced, of course, by Venus Champak ji. And there's another name on there, which is Aura Creative. For all of those wondering who that is, that's Sophie and Yasmin Chaudhary. So, yeah, we're very, very proud to foray into
Right.
this.
You know, before we talk about this single, or we launch this officially, are you engaged, Sophie?
Am I engaged? Do you all want me to be engaged?
No, I don't.
I don't. ये एक छोटा सा झटका हमने सबको दिया था.
छोटा नहीं है ये पीछे.
Oh,
We can see it
हाँ.
on this big screen.
Oh yes, this was the jhatka, and it created quite a bit of sensation, right? That's the feedback that I got, and actually it was just a way to kick off our campaign. क्योंकि अब जब आप गाना देखेंगे और आप सबको पता चल गया कि एक bachelorette गाना है, तो आप सबको पता चलेगा it's very much in theme with the song. ये जो mystery man है, ये अब इतने ज़्यादा mystery नहीं रहेंगे. But yeah, the response for the campaign has been so positive, and singles के लिए लोग अक्सर इतना कुछ नहीं करते हैं. People do things for movies, but we wanted to be different. So my amazing team, my PR team, and my marketing team, Trigger Max, we put together this idea, and it's worked.
You know, जहाँ तक singles की आप बात कर रहे हो, there was a time जब singles were ruling, है ना? और you were there ruling the roost, I would say. ऐसे, है ना? So please, अभी बताओ when you do the same thing now, and ये भी everybody knows कि it's a big hit, yeah. What do you have to say?
Thank
उस
you.
समय और इस समय.
I don't know. I think I'm very happy कि singles का time वापस आ रहा है. It's really important to have non-film music. हाँ, अक्सर जो singles आ रहे हैं उसमें भी hero heroine नजर आ रहे हैं. तो I don't know how that makes it different to a Bollywood song. A pop song is really with the pop artists. और आप सबको वो वक्त याद रहेगा जब Euphoria, Shan, सबके videos play होते थे, and we all used to love watching them. So I've always believed we need to bring that time back. And I'm really happy that Champak ji and Venus have supported me, and Ajay and Lavi and Videocon, everybody who have that same vision कि apart from Bollywood songs, we need non-Bollywood songs.
Right.
जहाँ तक ऐसे videos का सवाल है, yeah, I think a lot of them are being made to create noise. A lot of them are, you know, going all out in a different way. लेकिन मेरा motto हमेशा यही रहा है to be desirable and not desperate. And I think उस video से आपको यही पता चलेगा कि that has always been my motto with all my songs.
Talking about this teaser, ये जो हमने देखा था, इसमें एक रॉक है आपके हाथ में. लड़के तो पागल हुए, सोफी engaged हो गई. लड़कियों ने बड़े तलाक दे दिए.
जब मेरी असलियत में engagement होगी, वो रॉक इतना बड़ा होगा ना, तब सबकी हालत खराब होगी.
इससे भी बड़ा होगा. मतलब girls are already, you know, taking their boyfriends
No,
का
I'm
craze.
kidding. जब वो होगा, and I hope कि the excitement we created with this doesn't ruin the excitement for when it actually happens. उम्मीद ये है कि जब मेरी actually शादी होगी, आप फिर भी मेरे लिए excited होंगे.
शेर आया ना होएगा.
हाँ, वो in fact the other day Sridevi ma'am congratulated me. I nearly died. She said, "Janvi told me you're engaged." I said, "Ma'am, मेरे गाने के लिए था." So yeah, it was embarrassing, but she wished me an even better husband than the mystery man.
Okay. Mystery man का मैसेज है यहाँ पे आप सबके लिए और सोफी के लिए. But before that, tell me कि ये एक बहुत ही कमाल का marketing plan था इस सब के साथ. You know, सोनम कपूर की ऐप पे पहली बार teaser launch हुआ. How was that?
Yeah, I think I'm really lucky to have friends like that in the business. It's a never done before way of launching a teaser on Sonam Kapoor's app. It's a very unique thing, first of all, for a celebrity to launch another artist's song teaser. वो होता नहीं अक्सर. And my friends have always been so supportive. And it was a very cool, very clever thing to do because this song is fun and girly and stylish, and I think it really fits Sonam Kapoor. So it took her all of 1 second to say yes. And the response has been amazing. उनके Instagram page पे the teaser had over 150,000 views in a day. So I think that is also amazing for a single.
Both of you look just gorgeous over there.
Thank you.
And now can we have that message अपना mystery man की तरफ से जो कि आया हुआ है?
नहीं वो नहीं आएगा. वो एक और mystery man आएगा. वो message वो देंगे. That's for sure.
कोई और आने वाला है?
हाँ शायद कोई और आएगा. But there's just one thing I want to say about music and singles. लोग हमेशा हिट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं कि 20 मिलियन हिट्स एंड 30 मिलियन हिट्स, बट आई थिंक वी ऑल नो कि हिट्स खरीदे भी जा सकते हैं. मैं गाने तब से बना रही हूँ जब यूट्यूब हिट्स होते ही नहीं थे, और हिट गाना तब होता है जब लोग पसंद करते हैं, उसको सुनते हैं, उसको शादियों में प्ले करते हैं और दूर दूर से रिक्वेस्ट आती है. दैट्स व्हाट आई स्टिल गेट फॉर सॉन्ग्स लाइक थैंक यू. दैट्स व्हाट आई स्टिल गेट फॉर सॉन्ग्स लाइक बाबू छैल छबीला, एक परदेसी, जो इतने पुराने हैं. एंड आई रियली होप सजन मैं नाचूंगी के साथ यही होगा. Sometimes people go to see a video on YouTube just out of curiosity. It doesn't mean they love the song. With my song, I hope we get amazing hits, but more than that, I hope the song spreads some joy, spreads some fun, and it's the kind of song that people will be performing on at weddings. So,
I'm sure
inshallah.
हिट्स भी होंगे और गाना सुपर हिट भी होगा.
Thank you.
So let's take a look at the teaser. हो
We
जाए.
must, we must.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. All eyes on the big screen. सजन मैं नाचूंगी.
ऐसे कैसे छोड़ देंगे मतलब?
यहाँ घर वाले ना, यहाँ पानी नहीं होता हम लोगों के पास. घर वाले इतने प्यार से नहलाते नहीं, वो पता नहीं कैसे कैसे नहलाया जा रहा है उस टीजर में उस व्यक्ति को, है ना. सो लकी यार.
अब आपको पता चल रहा है कि बैचलरेट में क्या क्या होता है.
अभी पूरा नहीं पता लगा है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा थोड़ा सा गुनगुना देंगी अगर आप, तो मजा आएगा. व्हाट डू यू गाइस से यार? शी नीड्स टू सिंग थोड़ा सा एटलीस्ट.
नहीं, आप लोगों की आवाज नहीं आ रही. गुनगुनाना चाहिए क्या थोड़ा बहुत? द थिंग इज कि अब तक आपने देखा होगा इस कैंपेन के जरिए कि वी हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग बाय हाफ मेजर्स. तो गुनगुनाएंगे नहीं, उससे थोड़ा अच्छा ही करेंगे. करें?
हो जाए. अरे यस नहीं, थोड़ा जोर से हो जाए.
They don't know what to expect.
Everybody is like एकदम speechless. So हो जाए यहाँ पे सजन में नाचूंगी.
First time ever you guys get to hear a little bit of the song. Let's do this.
एक सेकंड सोफी, एक सेकंड. मैं एक महीने के लिए ड्रीम टीम के लिए क्या चला गया? तुम किसके लिए नाच रही हो? कौन है तुम्हारा सजन? अब तक तो मेरे को लगा मैं था सजन.
अब सबको पता चल गया असलियत में सजन कौन है मेरा.
क्यों आप क्यों नाच रहे हो? कौन से सजन के लिए?
नाचते नाच
क्या तनुज गर्ग आपके सजन है?
नहीं, मैं आपको सच बताऊं, अगर हर लड़की ये सोचेगी कि नाचते नाचते सजन, बोलते बोलते वरुण धवन आ जाएगा, तब तो मेरा गाना सुपर हिट है.
No, I genuinely got very worried because हम लोग उधर अमेरिका में थे और we saw some picture कि आपकी engagement हो गई है. Karan also got worried. I don't know why Karan got worried, but I got worried. I said engagement हो गई, आपने बताया भी नहीं. क्यों?
मैं चाहती थी कि मैं सबको एक छोटा सा झटका दे दूं. दिया ना झटका?
इतना बड़ा झटका दिया कि मतलब अमेरिका से मैं इधर आ गया. इतना बड़ा झटका दिया कि दो माइक का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ा मुझे. बट आई थिंक बिसाइड्स दैट, आई थिंक अभी झटका छोटा नहीं बड़ा देना चाहिए हमें. आई थिंक वी शुड वॉच द होल सॉन्ग नाउ.
Thank you, Varun.
Guys, so let's watch the whole
for the
song.
first
सजन
time ever.
मैं नाचूंगी.
Thank you.
Come.
बच्चा party over here. There's this gang over here. Sophie, we want you
Yes,
to
yes,
sing the song.
I'm coming right back. I've sung the song, but
हाँ.
why don't I get lovely Varun on stage with me?
Whoa. And I have a couple of teda sawals for Varun over here.
Oh my God.
Videsh-
So while we sort this out.
Yes. Varun, you just said.
Hi!
you've
Scream
come-
for him!
वरुण, you've come all the way from विदेश सिर्फ ये खबर सुन के कि ऐसा सोफी का एंगेजमेंट हो गई या कुछ. आप भी सिंगल हो और ये कह रही हैं.
मैं सिंगर नहीं हूँ भाई. मैं
तुम सिंगल नहीं हो?
We just got it.
मैं सिंगरों से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ पर मैं सिंगर नहीं हूँ.
मैं क्या?
I'm saying I love singers, but
अच्छा, मैं I love singers but I'm not a singer.
So अब मैं अपना हो इंडस्ट्री में ताकि वो सिंगल ना रहे और वो बड़ा सा रॉक आ जाए हाथ में, तो कौन होगा?
अरे इधर बैठे हैं मिस्टर नील नितिन मुकेश और खुद भी गाते हैं वो. I think he's got and he genuinely has a very very good voice. And I've heard him sing, in fact, live also once. I've seen a lot of videos of him, but genuinely, I think you all can do a duet.
Yeah, I think we will plan to do a duet next after this. But Filhal, have you ever crashed a bachelorette party?
Have I ever crashed? I have actually once in Mumbai only. I was with a couple of friends, and we were not. There was a bachelorette going on, and we were obviously not invited for it. And we just went in, and someone would ask, "Ki tum?" I mean, the girls were more uncomfortable there than the guys because it was only girls over there, so they wanted guys to be there. And, yeah.
तो आप जब बैचलर के अंदर गए आपने क्या देखा?
वो अभी टीवी पे नहीं बता सकते
अच्छा इतना
नहीं,
कुछ
ऐसा
होता है।
ऐसा कुछ नजारा
ऐसा
था
कुछ I think
जो
this was
झलक
too
हमने देखी।
hot इसलिए ये ऐसा हो गया but I'm hoping are we sorted now somebody कोई इशारा दे दो हमें इशारा दे रहे हैं नहीं दे रहे हैं क्या हो रहा है guys do we have anything sorted over there my goodness
घर में आके हम गाएंगे तुम्हारे फिर उसके बाद अगर
हाँ।
अभी नहीं चलाओगे
this is amazing oh it's happening it's
मम्मी जी
happening
मेहनत कर रही हैं ओके वरुण इफ यू वर टू क्रैश समबडीज बैचलर पार्टी किसी अपना एक्ट्रेस की तो कौन होएगा
इफ आई टू किसका उसका तो बैचलर पार्टी होता
नहीं बैचलरेट एक्ट्रेस
बैचलरेट पार्टी I think you have to be first close enough to a person to crash it. So
घुस जाओ आपको कौन
ऐसे-
रोक रहा है
ऐसे
यू नो
घुस जाओ।
यू गाइस आर लाइक सुपरस्टार्स कहीं भी पहुंच जाओ
नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं है बट वो लोग गुस्सा I think Sonam Kapoor I could probably crash her party because she's like family and
Yeah.
grown up with us. So
yeah and she's
crash Sonam.
she agrees with me about how a bachelorette needs to be done
she launched your song as well.
She
didn't
did. She launched
Yeah,
the
yeah,
teaser
yeah.
just before you did. But everybody knows that Varun Dhawan is an amazing dancer. और मतलब yeah, and मतलब I couldn't get him for my actual video, and it's amazing that he's here from my launch. Straight from Dream Team, he's come here. तो जो गाना है, while you're sorting that out, थोड़ा वो तो बजा दो. इसको तो 1 मिनट लगेगा सीखने में. Ready?
Teach me the step, I'll follow you.
Total rock star, doing it without even seeing it. And now I think we're actually sorted.
Good to go.
Finally.
All eyes on the big screen Sajan
They say all good things come to those who wait. तो I hope आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छा लगा और आप लोगों को अब थोड़ा पता चल गया कि एक बैचलरेट में क्या होता है.
हाँ हम घर जाके बोलेंगे मम्मी मम्मी हमें पता है बैचलरेट में क्या होता है वहाँ बच्चा पार्टी भी है बहुत सारी वो भी बोलने वाले हैं
No, honestly, I think it's a fabulous video. The production values are amazing. In fact, जब मैं यहाँ से आ रहा था and I think Champak ji is also over here. I have a long association with Venus. In fact, they're my neighbors. बिल्कुल बाजू में ही रहते हैं मेरे and they've been associated with so many films with my family as well. So it's a great honor for me to be here and launch their single and especially with Sophie as well, who I've known since the beginning of my career. Honestly, I think the production values and the way how are you, sir? How are you, sir? I think the way the video has been shot and conceptualized and directed is.
Ajay and Lavi, you guys did a killer
Please,
job.
big hand for them, guys. Please come on stage, guys.
तालियां for Colossus ladies and gentlemen Ajay Lavelle Mr. Doot I would request you to kindly grace the occasion आप भी please ऊपर आएं
And Mr. Doot is here as well, who obviously we all are very close to. कैसे हो, sir?
Mr. Ramesh Jain
लग रहे हो?
I just want to say 2 quick words. इस गाने को choreograph किया है the amazing Adil Sheikh ने, who had a huge hit with Kar Gayi Chul this year. So he's done the choreography and the music director means a lot to me that Mana is here today because the music director. I need your mic. Yes. The music director is a new young guy who couldn't be here today. Where are you? Where are you? Vikram, where are you? Oh my God, guys, this is the music director of my song. Just look at him. No one's going to believe that such a young, cool guy. Look at him. Of course, I'm going to.
Mr. Girish Jain
The
request करूंगा
amazing
आपसे।
Vikram Montrose. I want to tell you that he was actually discovered by Sanjay Dutt and he's been working on music with him. And because Sanju's love for me and Ajay and Lavi, he very kindly let Vikram debut with my song. So I'm so grateful. Mana, you have to come on stage. You have
Please,
to.
please, please.
Mana, you have to come on stage.
Big hand, please, for her, guys.
Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. And Mr. Bhavar Jain, आपसे भी request करूँगा sir, please आप stage.
All
Ma'am,
good?
I'll have to ask you, video के ऊपर your views, like first reaction.
No, exactly no comments, but yes, it's like a family video because Sophie, not many people know my children, they call her Khala. So yeah, she's Sophie Khala for my kids, and he's my Rakhi brother. He is discovery of SDP, so it's like culmination of everything. It's a family video. It's nice.
So now we can say that you're all set to give her a nice bachelorette party. इससे कुछ मिलता जुलता?
And Sanju's after her forever to get married.
Yeah, that's Sanju. So because Sanju wants me to get married, मैंने अफवाह फैला दी कि थोड़े दिन तक वो शांत रहेंगे. But thank you all for being here, and I think we have one last formality to